Hello everyone, so today I will share Korean food recipe that you can try at your home. Check this out.
Spicy Korean cheesy corn dogs. What is the Korean corn dog? It's a delicious take on the Western corn dog. The batter is more chewy, fluffy, and tastes most similar to Hong Kong bakery buns. It is then paired with your choice of toppings, then dipped in batter and covered with cubed potatoes, ramen noodles, or panko. Afterwards, it is then dusted with sugar to provide subtle sweetness and really help round things off. Ingredients: 6 smokies pre-cooked, 6 mozzarella sticks cut into 1.5 inches by 6 inches pieces, 6 wooden skewers substitute for chopsticks, 1 potato peeled and cubed into 1 centimeter pieces, 1 package crushed ramen noodles buldak cheese, half cup panko, half cup corn flakes optional, 2 to 3 cups canola/vegetable oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons tapioca starch, 1/8 cup flour, spicy buldak cheese sauce, 1 packet buldak spicy sauce, 1/8 cup Japanese Kewpie mayo. Condiments: ketchup, mustard, Japanese Kewpie mayo, orikake flakes, 1/8 cup sugar for dusting. Instructions: dough batter. 1. Active the yeast with warm water and sugar. Set aside for 5 minutes for the yeast to bloom. Combine yeast mixture into a bowl with flour and salt. Mix using a spatula until there are no visible lumps. Cover with saran wrap or a tea towel. Set aside for 1 hour to rise. Pour into a loaf pan or tall glass to make the process easier in coating your hot dogs. Potatoes. 1. Rinse your potatoes in cold water to help release excess starch. Cut into 1 cm by 1 cm pieces. Blanch in boiling water for 2 minutes. Drain and pat dry. Combine in 1 to 2 tablespoons tapioca starch. Set aside. Skewers. 1. Measure your skewers and trim accordingly to fit your fryer/cast iron pan. Skewer the smokies, mozzarella sticks. Make sure that your mozzarella is on the top half of the stick to ensure the cheese doesn't melt out. Set aside in the refrigerator until we assemble them. Frying. 1. Heat up 2 to 3 cups of oil into a fryer/cast iron pan. It is deep enough to cover halfway up the hot dog once the hot dog is placed in. Heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Remove the skewers from the refrigerator. Dust them lightly with flour to ensure that the batter will stick to it better. Carefully dip the skewer into the batter and wrap the batter around like coils, ensuring the entire hot dog is covered in batter. Remove excess batter as you don't want the coating to be too thick as it will expand in the oil. 3. Carefully roll/cover the hot dog with your choice of toppings: potatoes, ramen noodles, panko. Roll sticky part in panko afterwards and carefully pack the sides of the hot dog to ensure that the toppings stick to the hot dog. 4. Carefully place it into the oil and fry on either side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. 5. Remove, drain, and dust with 1 tablespoon of sugar right away to ensure that it sticks to the hot dog while hot. Drizzle with your choice of condiment. Why are Korean corn dogs popular? 1. Influence of the Korean wave. Korean corn dogs are gaining popularity not just in Asia but also in the US and other parts of the world because of the Korean wave. If you watch Korean dramas like Startup and Business Proposal, you can see the characters snacking corn dogs. If you're an avid K-drama fan, you know that watching them eat food makes us crave their food. 2. Fermented flour over cornmeal. Corn dogs are not new in the US, but what sets Korean corn dogs apart is Koreans use fermented flour to make them tastier and crispier. Some people also use gluten-free flour, but this choice is tricky and needs to be mastered first since flour is an essential ingredient. 3. Variety of filling choices. They have lots of options to choose from. This caters to the different diets and tastes of the people. Some of the variations are already stated above. Having to choose your variation is a great thing. You'll have a choice. 4. On the go. People who love snacks, especially when traveling, want to have something easy to carry around and eat. This is why Korean corn dogs are perfect. Korean corn dogs are like hot dogs on sticks, only with batter coating. With this, you can easily eat it even while walking or standing, no need to sit down or settle in a comfortable place. 5. Easy to find and affordable. Just wander along the streets of Seoul and night markets, and you can easily find Korean corn dogs. Since it can be found in the streets, its price is pretty affordable for kids, students, adults, and tourists. If you want to have a ready-to-fry Korean corn dog in your home, you can also buy frozen Korean corn dogs in Korean markets or groceries. This way, you can easily satisfy your cravings without going through many processes.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. See you later.